You are going to love the 2017 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, sports suspension, power brakes, rear view camera, leather trim seats, airbags, front knee. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.